Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jobs in Telugu States. So friends, today I am going to upload one more question paper. This is IIT Madras, IIT, one of the premier institution in India, IIT Madras. Is conduct for the post of library internship examination. So I am going to upload this question paper for library aspirants, those who are preparing competition examinations. So friends, in this question paper total 70 questions friends. Viewers, those who are watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe and please click on bell icon for more updates friends in future. So please share my question papers. So far I uploaded almost 10 question papers through my channel, TSPSC library science question papers and AIMS IASCR question papers, VVS Vikram Sarabhai's question papers. So this question paper also very useful for library competitive examinations friends. So first question I am going to explain. What is pre-sys? Pre-sys everyone knows in the say basic question. Pre-sys given by Derek Austin. Friends, one more thing I am explaining some related points also. Each and every question based on my knowledge I am giving some more points. So friends, you can very useful for your examinations. So first question, pre-sys. Pre-sys everyone knows. So what is pre-sys? It defines preserve context indexing system. Pre-sys is a given by Derek Austin. Pre-sys is similar to that POPSI also. POPSI everyone knows. G. Bhattacharya. POPSI developed by G. Bhattacharya. Pre-sys Derek Austin. So pre-sys abbreviation. First question it is asking four options, four abbreviations given. First A is the right answer friends. Preserve context indexing system is the right answer. So next second question, what is INDEST? INDEST, 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 Indian National Digital Library in Engineering, Science and Technology. So INDEST abbreviation, INDEST. INDEST means Indian National Digital Library in Engineering, Science and Technology. Option A correct friends. Out of four options, A is the correct answer. This is also very important as previous question friends. Next third question, OAI PMH, open, it's important one, Open Archives Initiative post protocol, post metadata harvesting. So B is the correct. Open Archives Initiative protocol for metadata harvesting. B correct answer friends. See carefully. O for open, A archives, I initiative, P for protocol, metadata, M for metadata, H for harvesting. So B is the right answer out of four options. Third question, B correct answer. Next fourth question friends, IAS LIC is a important question and previous question, Indian Association of Special Library Information Centers. Easy one, everyone knows this is a fundamental question. It's formed in the year 1955. IAS LIC, Indian Association of Library Information Centers. So fourth question, A correct answer. Out of four options, A is the right answer for fourth question. Next fifth question, PDF. What's PDF? PDF means portable document format. So PDF is easy one, portable document format. Fifth question, B correct answer. Sixth question, PMEST. PMEST, please define. These all questions are abbreviations friends. So first I think first 10 question give us abbreviation type of questions. So out of total questions in this question paper 70 questions. So fifth one, PDF means portable document format. B is the right answer for fifth question. Sixth question, PMEST means personality, matter, energy, space, time. Everyone knows fundamental question, personality, matter, energy, space, time. So sixth question, D correct answer. Sixth question friends, D is the right answer. Personality, matter, energy, space, time. Next question number 7, NEPTEL. What is NEPTEL? It's a previous question, important question. So we already seen earlier question papers, uploaded question papers. NEPTEL means National Program on Technology Enhanced Learning. This is important one. It is monitoring by IAC, Indian Institute of Science, IITs, so NITs. This video lectures for all courses and BTech electrical computer science course video classes available in NEPTEL, National Program Technology Enhanced Learning, NEPTEL. So 7th question D correct answer. 8th question DRTEC means Documentation Research Training Center. This is important one. DRTC located at Bangalore. It is located Documentation Research Training Center. 8th question D correct answer. So next 9th question SMTP means simple mail transfer protocol. 9th question A correct answer. Simple mail transfer protocol is SMTP. This is a computer related question, protocol oriented question. So 9th important one, simple mail transfer protocol, 9th question. Next 10th question SOAP means simple object access protocol. SOAP means 10th question simple object access. So this is a UGC net previous question. Simple object access protocol. Simple. So 10th question A correct answer. 11th question open source library management software. So out of 4 options Sol, Libsys, Slim and NewJetBlue given. So open source everyone knows. Sol commercial, Libsys also commercial, Slim also commercial, NewGenLib is the right answer. Koha also open source software friends. eGrandhalaya open source software. Sol, Libsys, these all are commercial softwares. Next 12th question the following organization running the LIS forum, Library Information Science Forum, say India's famous forum, which following organization running LIS forum. Out of 4 options NCSI. This is a little bit different question, so useful question in future examination. NCSI running the LIS forum in India. So 12th question A is the correct answer, NCSI. Next question number 13. What is the standard size of catalog card? In this question is not visible in this paper. It's some first page is cutted, so I am explaining this question. 13th question number 13. What is the standard size of catalog card in inches? It is asking in inches. Everyone knows catalog card size in centimeters 12.5 into 7.5 centimeters. In inches, when some questions it is asking like that in inches, it is 5 into 3 inches. 5 into 3 is the right answer friends. 13th question standard size of catalog card 5 into 3 in inches, and in centimeters when question is asking in centimeters 12.5 into 7.5. These two are previous questions, important question. Next question number 14. URL means everyone knows uniform resource locator, but here are asking URL address of Central Library of IIT Madras. This is IIT Madras question paper, that's why this question came. URL uniform resource locator. In some examination what is URL asking like that, uniform resource locator. So Central Library of IIT Madras URL is B is the correct answer. www.cenlib.iitm means madras.ac.in. academic institutions almost lost ending with ac.in, academic.in. So www.cenlib.iitm means IIT Madras.ac.in. B is the right answer. Out of 4 option B correct answer for question number 14. Next question number 15. How many main classes in DDC? How many main classes in DDC? This question answer is A correct answer. 10 classes. DDC main classes divided into basic and human knowledge. Is in main classes into 10 classes. So 15th A is the right answer. Next question number 16th. First edition of DDC published in the year. This is a basic question, DV decimal classification. First edition published by Melville DV. So 1876 right answer. B is the fundamental basic previous question. 16th question B correct answer friends. Next 17th question. How many digits have in ISSN number? ISBN International Standard book number ISBN means that is given by Raja Ram Mohan Rai RRLF ante Raja Ram Mohan Rai Library Foundation located at Calcutta. But in this question, 17th question, ISSN International Standard Serial Number is gives number to the journals. It is 8 digits. How many digits have ISSN? So 8 digits. C is the right answer out of 4 options. 17th question, C correct answer. A 6, B 7, C 8 given. So C 8 is the right answer. ISSN number given by NISCARE. In some examination, who allots ISSN number? Asking like that. So NISCARE is the right answer. NISCARE is located in Delhi. So ISSN is gives to serials. So ISSN have 8 digits. Some more points I am explaining based on this question. So friends, C correct answer. 17th question. 18th question, technical section performs mainly two functions, namely technical section is an important section in library activities. What are the main key roles, key functions of technical section? Classification and cataloging. These two are key functions of technical section. So D is the right answer. 18th question, out of 4 options, D, classification and cataloging, both are the key functions of technical section in the library. Next question number 19, identify the odd one out. So 4 options given friend, ANSI, BIS, BSI, Bureau of Indian Standard, like that, ESPN. So my idea, I am not sure, but D is the odd one out, different one. ESPN is I think this is a television network, ESPN. So remaining all are standards, ANSI standard, BSI standard, BSI standard, BIS also standards. So Bureau of Indian Standard, like that. So D is the odd one out friends. So 90% I am sure. Please check the yours, please confirm with any other source. So 19th question, my answer is D. 20th question, UDC Universal Decimal Classification, which type of notations? So this is a fundamental basic question, mixed notations. So A is the right answer out of 4 options given, mixed, Arabic, numerical, alphabetical. A is the right answer. 20th question. Next 21 question, shortcut keys for 21 question, shortcut key for select all text. So right answer is control A, all text. Is the easy one. Is related to some computer application type questions. Shortcut key of select all text, control A. So 4 options, A is the right answer. 21st question. Next 22nd question, when UDC first published in 1905, Universal Decimal Classification first published in 1905, Universal DV classification in published in 1905. 4 options, B is the right answer. 22nd B correct. 23 question number 23rd, DDC classification number of languages. What is the DDC number for language? Language, all languages under 400 section, 400 under number of 400. 400 denotes 3 for social sciences, 400 for languages, 5 for pure sciences, 6 technology, like that. So I am giving some more points. 300 for social science, everyone knows. 400 for language. So easy question. 23rd C is the right answer. 24th question, this is a GK question. IIAS, Indian Institute of Advanced Study, located at Simla, Himachal Pradesh, state Himachal Pradesh, Simla. So 24th B is the right answer. Options given, Delhi, Simla, Bangalore, Chandigarh. So B correct answer. 24th question. 25th question, corollary for the third law of library science is, corollary for third law of library science is every book its reader. So everyone knows third 5 laws of library science, books for use, every book is her every reader is her book, every book its reader. So third one is every book its readers. So corollary of third law of library science, A is the right answer. 25th question. 4th, save the time of the reader, and 5th is the library is a growing organism. So that is our 5 laws of library, elected in the year 1928, published in 1931. 26th question, shortcut key of copy text in MS Word. I think this question options wrong friends. I think my opinion. What is the shortcut key of copy text in MS Word? It is a MS Word file. So options given: Control plus A, Control plus S, Control plus C, Alt plus S. But I am thinking Control plus C is the right answer, but given alternatives, 4 options is not there. So my answer is Control plus C is the right answer for copy text in MS Word file, but given 4 alternatives not there. Please friends, those who are watching this question, please once you cross check with the right answer. My answer is Control C. So this none of the answer is not so out of 4 options not correct. 27th question: book lost from the library are known through stock verification. It's a fundamental basic important question. uh, Books lost from the library is known through stock verification. 27th A is the right answer out of 4 options. 28th question: identify odd one out. 4 options given friends: D space E prints, E prints. D space E prints are institutional repositories. So Greenstone and Moodle. Easily we can find out the answer. Moodle is a learning management software. Learning Moodle is a learning management. Greenstone, these are digital library software. ePrints, these are all DSpace, ePrints, both are institutional repository software. So through elimination you can find easily answer. Odd one out is Moodle, because Moodle is a learning management software. Remaining 3 are institutional repository digital softwares. Next, 29th question: what is the suitable source? Find out the list of historical moments of Delhi. Right answer is Gazetteer. Gazetteer is the right answer. What is the suitable source to find out the list of historical moments of Delhi? Right answer is Gazetteer. B is the right answer. 29th question, B correct answer. Next, 30th question: what is the suitable reference source to know about the information of particular place? So 30th question answer is Gazetteer friends. Out of 4 options, so directory, Gazetteer, and Gadgetware. Gazetteer is also different. Both a Gadget and Gazetteer both are different. C encyclopedia, D yearbook. 30th question: suitable reference source to know about the information of particular place? Gazetteer, B correct answer. Question number 30. Next, question number 31. 31 friends: information retrieval is fastest from. This is hard disk friend. Correct answer C. Information retrieval is fast from hard disk. Right answer C. 31 questions, C correct answer. Option 4 options: floppy, magnetic tape, CD ROMs, hard disk given. C correct answer. 31. 32 postcarb related to library administration. It's postcarb is given by Ruther Gulick. One more point I am explaining: planning, organization, staffing, directing, coordination, budgeting and redirecting. So this is the terms I am explaining. Total postcarb given by Ruther Gulick. It's a library administration, part of library administration subject. So 32 C correct answer out of 4 options, C correct. 33. Identify the odd one out of following 4 softwares given friends: A, Koha, Libsys, Slim, Soul. So through elimination we can easily odd one out, easily find the odd one out. So Libsys commercial software, Slim commercial, Soul commercial, Koha is open source software. In this question paper, this is the second question on based on softwares. One question paper NewsGenLib is open source, another question given like that. So 33 A correct answer. Koha is odd one out. Remaining 3 are management software, Koha open source software. 34th question: InfluBNet headquarters located at Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar. Ahmedabad is located Gandhinagar. InfluBNet headquarters, Information Library Network abbreviation. InfluBNet sole software developed by InfluBNet. Software for university libraries. Sole developed by InfluBNet Information Library Network. InfluBNet located at Ahmedabad, Gujarat. So 34th A correct answer. 35. Payments for books purchased can be made only after accessioning. Payments for the books purchased can be made only after, when in library application purpose method, when we are purchased books for library, vendors are supplying the books for library. After accessioning, that payments bill process is going. So this is total those who are working in the library application purpose ante practically those who are working in library, you can easily answer this question. Whenever we receive first quotation from the vendors supply the books. After accession process, we follow forward that bill for payment purpose. So right answer is accessioning. 35A correct answer. 36, it is the most important record of the books which shows position of any books on shelves. Accession list. So right answer is action is an important question, previous question. It is important record of the book. Important record of the book in the library also asking question as accession register. Important register in the library means accession register. Important record of the books, it shows position of any books on shelves means accession register. And 37th question, following is a not Web.2 tool. So 37th right answer, UGC Infonet 2.0 is a not a Web 2.0 tool, because remaining three are RSS feeds, Facebook social networking site, blog also social networking. These three are Web 2.0 related, and C UGC Infonet is not related. So in this question, not a Web 2.0 tool means UGC Infonet 2.0 is not a Web 2.0 tool. C is the right answer. 37th. 38th is resource sharing is a part of library cooperation. This is important previous question, Kendriya Vidyalaya Navodaya examinations. We already seen. Resource sharing is a part of library cooperation. A is the correct answer. 38th A correct answer. 39th question, RFID technology is based on electromagnetic rays, radio frequency identity detection. Radio frequency identity detection is used RFID. This is a chip based technology, costly, is expensive process. Is big libraries, special libraries mainly using RFID technology. So radio frequency identity detection, it is based on electromagnetic rays, friends. So out of 4 options, C is the right answer. 39th question. Next question number 40, ASCII. ASCII. ASCII is a what is the ASCII? Is a computer code, friends. Out of 4 options, B correct answer. 40th question, American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII is a important, I think ASCII codes 256 or 254, I'm not sure, 256 I think. ASCII American Standard Code for Information Interchange is a computer code. B correct answer for question number 40. Out of 4 options, B correct. 41st question, which resource can be accessed online? E-journals, e-books, e-databases, all of the above. Online e-journals means online available electronic journals, e-books electronic books, electronic database. So we can access these all are through online. So all of them were correct. 41 D is the right answer. Next 42nd question. Next question number 42nd, friend. The InflipNet Center opened by UGC in the year. InflipNet Center started in the year, I think 1992, friends. But some question papers given 1988. I'm not sure, friends. That's why I'm not marked right answer. This question answer is not marked. Please check through sources, other sources, and Google. But my answer is 1992, I think. So right answer is 90 D. My answer is 92. Please, those who are watching my channel, please check this answer. Okay. Next question number 43. AACR2 Anglo-American Cataloging Rules 2 published in the year 1978. Right answer out of 4 options. D is the right answer. AACR2 published in the year 1978. Next, bibliographic classification published in the year 1935. It's given by Bliss. Bibliographic classification, basic question, fundamental question, previous question, friends. 44th question, Bliss bibliographic classification, Bliss given in the year 1935. Next 45 question, identify odd one out of the following. 4 options given, friends. Which is the different one? Odd one out. So Internet Explorer is a browser, Mozilla Firefox is a browser, Opera browser, Google option D is the different one. So this is the odd one out. Google is a search engine. Remaining 3 options are browsers. So Google search engine. So different one is D. 45 D right answer. 46th, who is the current Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu? This is a GK question, friends. Tamil Nadu, at the time of examination, Pannir Selvam is the CM. B is the right answer. But present Stalin is the CM. DMK, now ruling party DMK, regional party in Tamil Nadu. 46th, now in present view I am explaining. Stalin is the right answer. Next, 47th question, the free encyclopedia is known as, which is a free encyclopedia known as? Four options of Britannica Americana, Wikipedia, Macropedia. So Britannica is the right answer. Encyclopedia Britannica is the free encyclopedia. So A correct answer. 47th question, A correct answer. 48th question, which is not a social networking site? Four options given, friends. Which is one is the not a social networking site. Facebook social networking, Twitter also social networking, LinkedIn professional social networking site, Google Chrome is a browser. So this is odd one out. Nothing but odd one out. But asking in this question, not a social networking site. Remaining three are social networking sites: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, social networking. Google Chrome is a browser. So easily through elimination, D is the right answer. 48 D. 49, who is the Honorable Minister of State for Human Resource Development? MHRD ministers in central. At that time Smriti Irani, later Ramesh Pokhriyal. Now it is changed again. Minister for HRD again changed, friends. Please check this. This is a GK based question out of the library science. 49th question. Last week Ramesh Pokhriyal is the human resource, is a part of educational, nothing but educational minister, central education minister, and other way it is called human resource development, MHRD minister, Smriti Irani. At the time of examination, Smriti Irani. So question number 50. Next question number 50, friends. The agency in India responsible for ISSN to journals. Which agency giving ISSN now? Again one more question came. Part of ISSN, International Standard Serial Number. It's 8 digits number. It is allotted to journals. It's given by NISCARE. I already explained in this question paper. NISCARE gives ISSN number, National Institute of Science Communication and I don't know exact abbreviation right now. So NISCARE is the agency alerts the ISSN number. It's located in New Delhi. So 8 digits, ISSN have 8 digit numbers. Okay, out of 4 options, NISCARE right one. 51 question, Kamakshi temple located at Kanchipuram. This is a GK question out of the library syllabus. 51 is the B is the Kanchipuram, Kamakshi temple located at Kanchipuram. B correct answer. 52, Library Congress of subject headings published in the year 1898. LCSH, Library Congress subject headings published in the year 1898. Options, 4 options. Right answer is A. Next, 52, A right answer. 53, journal is the just source of information. Journal is a primary source of information. Journal, patent, abstract, these are primary sources. Secondary sources, books, these are secondary sources. Tertiary, bibliographies of bibliographies, these are tertiary sources. So primary sources, journals, patents, meetings, procedures, conference papers, these abstract, these all are primary source of, so total primary sources of information, secondary and tertiary. So journal, which part of information source? Primary. 53A. 54th question, Saraswati Mahal Library, where the palm leaf manuscripts are preserved, situated at. This is not, palm leaves are preserved. It's a special of one library, Saraswati Mahal Library. It is where it is located in, nothing but it is asking Saraswati Mahal Library. It is famous for palm leaf manuscripts. It's this library located where? Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. Tanjavur is the right answer. I think is state of Tamil Nadu maybe. Tanjavur is the right answer. 54D. 55 question number. Say arithmetic base. In the first of 10 overs a cricket game, the run rate was 3.2. What should be the run rate in the remaining 40 overs? To each the target is 282 runs. This arithmetical question. Right answer is 6.25. This is also out of the library syllabus. Arithmetical question came. So right answer A, 6.25. Through doing the practice we will get the answer. This is a mathematical question. 55A right answer. 56th, a sum of money is distributed among the ABCD in the proportion of 5 is to 2 is to 4 is to 3. If C gets 1000 more than D, what is the B share? This is the 56th question. So nothing but partnership, money, partnership like this. Arithmetical question. 56th, the right answer is 2000. C correct answer, friends. This is also out of library science syllabus. 56th C. 57th again GK question. Narendra Modi is the what is the number of current Prime Minister of India? Present Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister. He was at that time he was 15th Prime Minister of India. 15th. So D is the right answer. So now it is 16th. So 16th Prime Minister of India, friends. Now it is. So again is second term ruling. NDA. NDA form government second time. So this question is again came in upcoming examinations. 16 is the right answer, friends. 57. So 58th question again number series given 2 6 one reasoning question number series. This related to part of number series 2 6 12 20 30 42 56. What is the next number? So friends, please observe carefully. I already through calculation I am explaining. 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 6 12. So 12 plus 8 20. So next plus 10 30 plus 12 42 plus 14 56. Next plus 16 means 72. C is the right answer. This number series question reasoning part. 58th C 72 right answer. 59th question, which are the biggest network system in India? OCLC. Out of 4 options, OCLC, Delnet, InfiniBnet, NICnet. So OCLC is the biggest network system in the world. OCLC. 59th A right answer. 60th question, where is the Meenakshi temple situated? This is a GK question. Madurai. I think, friend, this question paper out of 70 question I am going to explain. Now 60 completed. These 70 questions, 10 questions almost reasoning, GK, arithmetic questions. So I think 60 questions pure library science questions. So 60th question, Meenakshi temple located Madurai. It's a well known, it's a famous historical place. So A Rameshwaram, Chennai, Madurai, Trivandrum given. Madurai right answer. 60th C. Next, match the following 10 questions given, friends. List one some options given, list two some option given. We can match the each other. So correct alternates we can find out. So first list one options. Anna Centenary Public Library. Anna Centenary Public Library, famous library is located Chennai, friends. So Chennai, H is the correct. 61 H, match the following is H, Chennai. Anna Centenary Public Library. I am explaining option list 1 question at the same time I am explaining answer of list 2. So Anna Centenary Public Library located Chennai. Kudbaksha Oriental Public Library 62. Kudbaksha Oriental Public Library, it's located at Patna, Bihar. Patna is the right answer. F. 62 F is the correct matching. Next 63 Asiatic Society Library. Asiatic Society Library, Mumbai. 63 G, Mumbai. Next 64 Dublin Core. It is a metadata standard. It consists of 15 elements. Everyone knows Dublin Core is a metadata standard. 15 elements. So 64 is a metadata standard. B correct answer. 64 B. 65 PRECIS. We already seen in this question paper. PRECIS preserved context indexing system. First question in this question paper. PRECIS is a Derrick Austin, given by Derrick Austin. At the time of first question I explained PRECIS is given by Derrick Austin. Role operators also is a part of PRECIS. 65 is the J is the right answer. I is the right answer. Derrick Austin. Next 66 who is who in India is a biographical source. Who is a in India, ante who is who in India, who is the Prime Minister in India, who is the Chief Justice of like that. Who is who in India is a biographical source. D. 66 E is the right answer. E correct option. 66th question. 67th chain indexing. Everyone knows chain indexing given by S.R. Ranganathan. Prolegomena of library class S.R. Ranganathan. Column class S.R. Ranganathan. Father of library S.R. So many contributions given by S.R. Ranganathan. So chain indexing. So J is the right answer for 67. 68th question. DSpace is a open source software. DSpace, ePrints both are open source software. So 67 D is the right answer. DSpace open source software. e-prints also. These are institutional repositories also. 69th question, Google Chrome is, everyone knows, is a browser. A. 69th correct matching, A, browser. Google Chrome is a browser. Chrome, Mozilla, Internet Explorer, Opera, these are browsers. So MS Office, 70th question, this is the last question of in this question paper. MS Office question, MS Office is relevant to application software. C. 70th question, last question, C is the right option. MS Office is the application software. Friends, total in this question 70 question paper I explained with answers also. Friends, I think one question I doubtful, but I explained my assumption. Please check with that right answer. Friends, viewers, those who are watching my YouTube channel, please subscribe Jobs in Telugu States, my channel. Please click on bell icon for more question papers I will upload. Now that second wave also completed, and almost a normal situation is going, the examinations going to be held very soon. So friends, please subscribe my channel. Please share your Telegram, WhatsApp groups, or your any competitive examination groups. My videos are very useful for library competitive, friends. So thank you so much.